Hi everyone, so this week we are changing the colour, and the colour for this week is, let me see if you can guess. What's the colour, do you think? Can't hear you, shout it out, shout the colour out. That's right, it's yellow. So I've got these different things and I'm going to be doing some activities with them throughout this week. So to start today's activity, we are going to be using a banana. So I'm going to show you what to do. We're going to make some banana chips. They're a healthy snack and they keep for about 2 weeks and they're really, really easy to make. So we're going to start by cutting the banana. Well, we need to peel the banana and then we're going to cut the banana. So let's all peel our bananas. Peel it down. Now we need to take the peel all the way off so that we can see the whole banana. That's right. Now this is a whole banana. So there's one whole banana. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut it into two, and we're going to cut it in the middle. So we're going to cut it halfway through. So let me just grab a knife. Here's a knife. Now make sure that you ask an adult to help you with this, or use a children's knife. Now I've got a sharp knife, so you mustn't use one of those. So let me just show you what I'm going to do. So here's our banana. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut it halfway here. So look, now we have, how many pieces of banana do we have now? 1, 2, don't we? And they're both equal parts, aren't they? So if I gave this side of the banana to one person and this side of the banana to another person, they both have the same amount, don't they? But what happens if another 2 friends come along and we need to share it between 4 people? So if I cut it here, would that be fair? If I gave one person this bit, one person this little bit, and cut this one here, and gave one person that bit and one person that bit, wouldn't be fair, would it? Because it wouldn't be equal. So I'm going to cut this one in the middle, and I'm going to cut this one in the middle, and look at that. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So this has now been cut into quarters. So before it was a whole banana. Put it all back together again. So before it was a whole banana, and then we cut the banana into half, didn't we? And then we cut it into quarters. See? Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to slice our bananas about this thick. So slice your banana. Next you need to spray your baking paper. Now I don't have any baking paper, so I'm going to use foil, and I'm going to use some Fry Light on it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the foil, and I'm going to spray it all over.